Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at Guidance from Gaia Oracle by Shannon Kaiser, Practices and Affirmations from Spirit Animals. This is published by Beyond Words Publishing. Thank you so much to them for sending this my way. I'm very excited to get into this. This retails for $24 in the US and $33 in Canada, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. This includes 52 cards and a 176-page guidebook. My mission with this Oracle card deck is to help humanity return to its roots. Shannon Kaiser. Reclaim your personal power and regain confidence and clarity with this stunning oracle from author and artist Shannon Kaiser. Our ancestors understood the harmonizing effects of connecting with nature and Mother Earth daily, and now, at a time when people are yearning to escape the hustle and chaos of society and technology, practical tools like Guidance from Gaia Oracle can usher in the peace we all deeply need. From personal growth to improving interpersonal relationships, tapping into Gaia's healing energy provides a solid foundation for your wellness and happiness routine. Categorized in the 5 elements of earth, water, fire, air, and spirit, this Oracle deck is designed to connect you to the sacred knowledge inherent in the Earth's wisdom keepers and nature that surrounds you. Featuring inspired artwork and messages directly from the archetypal energies of Gaia, Shannon combines lush imagery and the ancient wisdom of these benevolent animal spirit guides. Discover how to rebalance and calm your life from the inside out. All right. So it's a big Oracle package here. The little tabs are on the bottom and top, respectively. Pretty peach color. Ooh. Bottom of the card box. Before we get into the deck, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook. This is beautiful. Okay, we do have a nice table of contents here. Look at this little guy. Sweet. Okay, so looks like lots of information. Okay, so we do have how to work with this, and then we do have respecting roots, an overview of the Oracle card process. Okay, and we do have some spreads as well. And then we do have a page number for each card, as well as they look like they're sectioned out into their respective elements. Awesome. Okay, so very easy to navigate the guidebook here. Information on Gaia there. Okay, the concept of spirit animals is derived from American Indian spirituality, and it is important not to separate it from this history. However, the term spirit animal is actually a non-native phrase that people in the New Age spiritual community have coined to explain and sometimes capitalize on, unfortunately, the sacred relationships indigenous peoples developed over centuries with the animal kingdom and their environments. This relationship and the symbolism attached to each animal are highly subjective among different indigenous peoples and are impossible to generalize. It is important to honor the roots of this term and its sacred and complex meanings, as well as understand that indigenous peoples request that non-native people do not replicate their traditional animal imagery from totem poles and pictographs out of respect for their cultures. Though I'm not native myself, I have found that my indigenous and non-indigenous teachers alike invite all of their students to engage with the spiritual meaning of animals in a way that is true for each of us. For me, it is an honor to continue to share this wisdom and respect with others, which is what this Oracle deck aims to do. I have taken my personal and professional experiences and combined them into a resource tool that can help support your own path, but by no means is this a way to hijack sacred teachings or borrow for trends' sake. Rather, it is a way to acknowledge the inspiration and transformation possible when we allow the power of Gaia, ancient tradition, the wisdom of our ancestors, and new spiritual wisdom to guide us forward through all energetic forms. Okay, I'm glad that was acknowledged. So it looks like you can use this however you would like to. Lots of different ways here. So we have transitions, grief, purpose, manifesting clarity, hope, and then it gives you a structure and breakdown of the elements here that they're using. And then we do have some the structure of the card meanings when we go into it from the guidebook. Okay, so let's take a look at the spreads here real fast, and then we will get to the flip through. I just want to make sure we are getting all of the information that we need to utilize the deck here properly. So we have the 1 card, the 5 card of the Earth Elements spread, the Flower Burst spread, which is 7 cards, and then we go into the decks. Okay, here we go. Here's the back. It is a gloss. It's a larger deck. Okay, so the deck is on the like medium thin side. It's not super thin at all, but there is some structure there. It's still snapping back. All right. And personally, for a wider and longer deck, I want a thinner cardstock because I want to be able to shuffle. All right, we have the element up top, we have a number, we have the animal, as well as an affirmation. Love that. Sloth, cute. It's very rich as far as the color saturation goes. I like the affirmations that co-align with the animal here. I also feel like even though this is a collage like style, it's not overwhelming. It's not terribly distracting. Oh my gosh, it's a dog. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's fun. Okay, we're in the water. Ooh, very cool. Oh, he's a very colorful crab. Fire. Love that tiger. Ooh. I have a healthy respect for sharks, but I am just terrified of them. Love a fox. Oh, that's a cool picture. I love little trash pandas. They're so sweet looking. Okay. Peacock. Love that. It's gorgeous. I'm really loving the affirmations. So even if you wanted to use this deck as a way to like see what energy and affirmation you could use for that day, that would be a great pull. Little ladybug. Ooh. All right, Spirit. Ooh, interesting. Snail. Oh, yay, we have a bat. Unicorn. Oh, we have a wild card here with Gaia. All right. I think it's beautiful. I really liked the affirmations. I liked the art style. Yeah, that shuffle's really great. I'm gonna try it side by side here because with a bigger card deck, I like to do side by side if I can. It's just easier on my hands. And yes, that's nice. Okay, and overhand. Yeah, I don't have an issue with how it shuffles. Let's get a card to read though. Please and thank you. Okay, we're gonna do the guidance of the butterfly from the spirit section. I gracefully embrace my true self, spreading my wings to new heights and levels of awareness. Number 47. Okay, we got some keywords up here: manifestation, completion, and metamorphosis. The butterfly is here to help you through a time of massive emotional, physical, and spiritual metamorphosis. Who you were is very different from who you are becoming. Butterfly invites you to embrace the changes in your environment and within your emotional body. This ethereal transformation of the energy around you is taking root and expanding in ways that will support you for years to come. Just as the caterpillar goes into a cocoon unaware that it will turn into a butterfly, prepare for parts of you to die off for you to flourish. This spiritual guide of Gaia asks you to be honest with yourself about what authenticity means to you. Do you feel you are living an authentic life, and are you making choices that align with your values? Since the butterfly's life goes by quickly, it also represents treasuring each moment to make the most of your time on Earth. Change is upon you, but it is up to you to morph into the beautiful being you are destined to be. We all inevitably change and are not at all the same as when we started on the path. See the changes in your life as growth. It is not a crisis you are in, but an awakening. We do have a shadow side here: neglectful, hopeless, and unmotivated, and illuminated side: transformed, visionary, hopeful, and then to bring into alignment. Declutter your physical space. Rid yourself of unwanted things. Oh, that was a huge call out to me right now because I was just thinking I have to do that. And then we have the same affirmation that is on the card at the bottom of the page too. I really like this. I think there's a lot of value in this. I think that there is something to be said about having a deck that not only encompasses animals, but affirmations as well as connecting them to the 4 elements. So it's beautifully done. The quality is great. I really love how vibrant and rich the colors are, how the animal images come through. It's not overpowering, and I like that there's like action steps to do as well as how the animal can relate to the message and the affirmation that is on the card. So I like that it is a different type of animal deck, and there's a lot of ranging different animals in here as well. So very, very cool. I would love to know what you guys think about this deck. Is it something that you have seen before on your radar? Is it now something that you want to have, or is this a pass from you? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you again to Beyond Words. I'm thrilled and excited to work with this, get to know it a lot better, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on the way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, as well as it helps me out on my end with the algorithm gods. So thank you again so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.